Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So if you haven't already, I would be happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is in collaboration with Sign Wednesday, and this is hosted by Leeny from Krafty Leeny and Dyanne and Janny from Deco. So if you haven't already been to their channels, I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So after you have viewed mine, please do click on the next video in the playlist. You would not be disappointed. You'll get so many beautiful videos with great inspirations. So today I'm going to do a couple of projects. So let's get started. So this is the final reveal of all my projects. So I'm so excited to share with you all today. And let me start with this beautiful bloom from within sign. For the process, that is one of the welcome board. And I painted white, and again I distressed all the corners with antique wax. And I stuck this bloom from within sticker from Dollar Tree. It's so gorgeous. Just love the verbiage. And also I stuck one of the burlap ribbon on this side with Farmhouse ribbon on top of it. And I have a bunch of greeneries, and this is one of the burlap twine, or I think it's a ribbon kind of a thing, It is also from Dollar Tree, and everything is from Dollar Tree, you know that. This cute egg sign, and this is one of the wall hanging. The egg, I plucked it up from the wall hanging and I painted white. And this is one of the pop-up stickers from the sticker section. And also I just had a piece of wooden from the previous project, so I just painted white, and I also distressed that everywhere, and I also distressed around the egg, and I stuck white pearl stickers and I distressed those as well, just to give like an vintage, old vintage look to it. And I'm absolutely loving this, and I just wanted to create something, you know, something like this from a long time, and very happy how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. This cute harp sign, it is very simple and easy. I just grouped some things together and it turned out so pretty. I'm very happy how this turned out. So let me talk about this. This is one of that sign that we all see in Dollar Tree. You can just, you know, insert labels inside that. So I just inserted one of the paper, and I stuck the stickers HOP, and those are the bunny ears from one of the bunny, and I decorated him with some berry pieces from the twiner, and also gave a berry twiner around his head, and I also gave like one flower to embellish that whole thing. So I'm very excited how this turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. This is very simple, and you know, it's looking yet very beautiful. So I'm very happy about all these projects. I wanted to bring it in like a neutral tone, so I brought everything white and brown and beige. So I'm very happy how these turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this, and if you have any comments, please leave in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.